Hey, how's it going, everyone? We are going to take a look at creating a service pipeline inside of AgencyZoom here. So you can get to your pipelines, obviously hovering over the settings, clicking on pipelines, and then you will see this blue Create Pipeline button up here. If you click on that and you just click Create Service Pipeline, nice and simple, it's going to open up the pipeline settings. So if you want to define the category that the service requests are going to be automatically, you can leave this blank or you can choose something. So I'm just going to say service general and priority medium. You can also include some tags, like if you only want certain tags to be included in this service pipeline, you can set that up right there as well. Set up who the service requests are going to be assigned to, either policy CSR, policy producer, or just round robining through all of your CSRs. And the last two options here, capture the requote information and exclude from calculating service response time. So depending on how you run your agency, if you want those boxes checked or not. And once you do that, click Save Changes. And now you can start building the actual pipeline skeleton itself. Obviously, it's pre-built here for you, but you can go in and change any of these names. You can move any of them around. You can add a new stage. You can delete stages, whatever you want to do. Just don't forget to click this blue Save button up here whenever you're done making those changes. So that way you can go in and start building automations afterwards. Hope that was helpful. See you guys.